Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Srayasee Dutta. So today I have created a very soft glam makeup look. So this is actually a very neutral and attractive look. This type of look you can easily carry whenever you're going in a mall or in a vacations. It will look very good in photos also. So if you want to see how I've created this look, then please watch this video till the end. So already have cleaned my face. So first I'm going to use a moisturizer here. So today I'm going to use a Pond's moisturizer. So this is a very light moisturizer. I'm just using my moisturizer so that my skin becomes soft and supple and remain hydrated. So once I have applied moisturizer, I will keep it for some time. Once it will get absorbed in my skin, then I will start using primer. And now I'm going to use a LiQWYD Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. And now I'm going to use a Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So if you're in my skin tone, then definitely you can use this shade. Just taken a 1 pump. I'm going to spread it all over in my skin. And now I have taken a damp beauty sponge. I'm going to blend these foundations all over in my skin. So blending of foundation is done now, and I'm going to do my eyebrow first. So today I'm going to use a Miss Clear eyebrow. So if you're looking for a good eyebrow kit, then you can definitely have this one, the Miss Clear one. It gives a very natural effect and it doesn't look very artificial. So it looks very natural. So you can have this one is also. It has 4 different shades. So it has a light gray, little bit brown and little bit dark brown shade, and then the black one. So you can mix all this shade according to your own eyebrow shade. I'm going to mix this 2 shade. I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the shade 20 Sand. And now I'm going to blend it once again with my damp beauty sponge. I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder all over in my face so that my makeup look flawless and give a matte finish. So today I'm going to use this LiQWYD Absolute Infinity Eyeshadow Palette, and here I'm going to take this peach color, so that because it's a soft glam makeup look and it is a summer look, so I will keep it very neutral and very simple. So I'm going to take this peach transition shade and going to use in my upper crease. And now I'm going to take this shade I'm going to use in the outer corner and blend it towards the inner corner of my eyes. Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette Rosy in the Ear, I am going to take this white shade and going to use it in the center lid of my eyes. Here I am going to take this flat brush and going to use it and now I'm going to take this shimmery peachy shade from LiQWYD Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use my finger to use in the central lid of my eyes. From Maybelline City Men palette, I'm going to take this shade, this shimmer shade, and going to use again in the central lid of my eyes. And now I'm taking this brush and going to blend it all together so that it looks seamlessly beautiful. And now I'm going to take this shade, I'm going to mix this together and going to use it in my dual lash line area. From the City Mini palette again I am going to take this shade, and here I am using a very little sponge and going to use it in my inner corner of my eye. To use this Kajal, it is from Nykaa. I am going to use in my waterline area. Now I'm going to use an eyelash curler to curl my lashes. And now I'm going to use a Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara in my lash line. And now I'm going to wear my tag policies. And now I'm going to use a Wet n Wild contour palette. Here I am going to take this bronze shade and going to contour or bronze my cheekbones. A little bit fallout in my under eye area, so I am going to dust it off with this concealer brush where I have taken that banana powder. Bit in my jawline area. And now I'm going to use this LiQWYD Absolute Blush Duo. Now I'm going to use this mix setting spray. I'm going to use a damp beauty sponge. And now I'm going to use this highlighter. So this is a Nykaa highlighter and this is in the shade 24K Glam 01 and paint shade. I'm going to use this Nykaa Mattilicious Lip Crayon, and this is in the shade Next Level Nude 04. is my final look. So if you have watched this video till the end, hope you have liked this video. Then don't forget to subscribe my channel because I'll be coming up with more interesting videos like this. Till then, love you all. Take care. Bye bye.